welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna unbox an Apple Pencil, but instead of Apple it is Logitech or something, I don't know. But I'm going to open it now. I got this from the PX, which is like a military mall kind of thing. And this is what my iPad looks like. I'm also making my iPad preppy, so when I make it preppy, I'm going to get a case that kind of matches like the preppiness, but it's also almost Christmas time, so I'm gonna get a Christmas one to make it match. So I'm gonna unbox this now. This is what it looks like too. It kind of has the same design as an Apple Pencil, but you have to turn the Apple Pencil, you have to turn this Apple Pencil on by clicking the button. I had these at school, but now I don't have to go to school and have to use one of these. I can use them whenever. So I'm gonna open it now. Did he fall into the toilet? Or did he poop?
Yeah, make sure he's all right.
You can go in.
I don't need to.
I don't need to either. Daddy, look, this is what it looks like.
Cool. Turn it on. Connect it.
I am.
So we can make sure it works. Because if it don't work, we got to take it back. That's why you want to go to that clearance aisle. Because you saw that over there and you wanted that.
No, this wasn't at the clearance aisle.
Oh.
This was at the iPad accessories.
What's up, Mom? What's up?
How do I connect it? Daddy, look.
Oh, it does work.
Look, see?
Oh, that's money then. All right.